Right, today we're working on another Fiat 500 with the checkered fabric, and as you can see, it's got a lot of dirt on the high contact areas where people's hands have been. There's stains on the back seat there. I believe that the previous owner of this car carried a dog, so the seating is soiled, and it's going to need a little bit of tender loving care. It's not a new car, it's a 13 plate car, so you know, you have to make a decision on a car at that age, really how far you want to go with having it cleaned. And yes, you know, we could have done a full interior clean on this. Since seeing as the car has actually carried a dog, there will be bacteria in this car left by the animal, and if it was my car, I would want a full clean done on it. I'd have all the seats out of it, and I would be cleaning all the headlining and the seat belts and the dash and the steering wheel, obviously the seats and the carpets and everything would be done and disinfected. But you know, it's an old car, and you can't really be spending any more really than what you should be, obviously, you know, with the value of the car. So anyway, what we're going to do with this, we're just going to clean the seats, and we're also going to clean the door panels, and then the customer then is going to take the vehicle to a local valet service or whatever, and they can then kind of spruce up the inside. You know, it kind of makes sense, I suppose, you know, with a car that's got such, you know, that has very little value. Anyway, let's come back to this in a bit, and let's see what kind of progress we're getting. Well, we're just under 2 hours later, and using a proven cleaning method, we've managed to not only deep clean this fabric, which is incredibly difficult to clean. If you over wet it, you may find that it browns out. It's horrible to work on this stuff, but we have a method that's tried and tested, and we've been using that method for many years. And we're also using a product that isn't available to anybody else. It's an eco-friendly, detergent-free product that dries to a neutral pH. And so speaking about drying, it's actually drying out really nicely. We've had the engine running and the heaters going. It's about 4 degrees centigrade at the moment out here, very cold. But this is drying out nicely, and I'd say give it an hour. This car will be ready to use again. We have lifted up that rear bench seat just to obviously clean as far deep down as we can, and this edge here. One other reason is you can't clean it and then put it back because it's until it's dried, because the fabric, when you've got two pieces of fabric touching each other and they're damp, you know, they never dry. So that's very important. But yeah, all the vinyl around the back of the seat's done, all this bit here. I think the customer's going to be really pleased with this, and all we have to do now is just take it to a car wash and just get them to spruce it up a little bit. Spend 50 quid on a valet. So what we're doing really is doing all the stuff that the valet company can't do, and they certainly can't work to this level. Anyway, there you go, folks. If you have a Fiat 500 with a similar problem, you've got seats that are really filthy, and it's this type of fabric, and you live within the Guildford area, around the Guildford area, give us a shout, and send us, email some pictures over, and we'll give you a price on cleaning them. Thanks for watching.